What up, players? Welcome back. And for all you new people, welcome. My name is Jeff and I do tech videos every single week and I have a blast. Wait a minute. That ain't my intro. What's up, fam? This is your boy El Jefe, and I'm happy to talk to you guys about something a little bit different today. So these are the Status Audio IEM-2X in-ear monitors. These are some wired earbuds that run right around 50 bucks, and I'll leave a link to that down in the description box below. Make sure you guys check them out if you're in the market for this kind of thing. Now, before we go any further, and for full disclosure, Status Audio did reach out to me, sent out the sample for my honest opinion and review. And I'm super glad they did because these in-ear monitors were nowhere on my radar. Now, if this is your first time here, this is the way I do things. Whether the company sends out the product for free or if I go out and purchase it myself, I'm always gonna keep it 100% real with you guys and let you know whether or not it's worth your hard-earned money. So with that said, let's jump right into it. So these in-ear monitors. So what we're talking about is a 9mm driver and a balanced armature. The sound quality that I'm getting out of these, dude, I mean, okay. So these are a balanced sound. So you're getting a more flattened out curve as far as your sound goes. So you're not gonna have super high pronounced highs or like mega bass or anything like that. It's more a flattened out sound so you can get a really good audio reproduction. So, you know, it's more neutral. So as far as like listening to like hip hop, trap, EDM, stuff like that, it still sounds good, don't get me wrong, but these are not overly bassy. So if that's what you're looking for, these probably aren't for you. But you know, where these really shine, at least in my experience and during my testing, was when listening to more instrumental music, like when I was listening to classical, when I was listening to my rock mixes, or even listening to like oldies and like funk and like Motown stuff and like just older sound that use a lot more instruments and stuff, more soundstage. That's the best way that I can describe it to you guys, but it sounds so much better. The audio is so clean coming through these. And not to say that these don't have bass, because they do, but nothing is overstated. Everything is right where it should be. And it sounds amazing. Like, for 50 bucks, I mean, it sounds really freaking good. And I've tried other in-ear monitors. Like I've tried on the low end, you know, some of the KZs that run you around 20, 25 bucks. And I've also tried, you know, some of the higher end stuff like the Shures, you know, and by higher end, and I assume you guys are gonna cry foul, but I'm talking about like 100, 150, 200 bucks. Tried some of those as well. These at 50 bucks are giving you, you know, sound quality that is punching way above its price tag. You know, very clean audio, whether you're gonna run them through like a small tube amp the way I did, or, you know, if you're gonna run them off your phone. You know, these are so good that I make sure that I have my little headphone dongle with me so that I can run them on my iPhone during the day. That's how good, that's how much I like the sound quality of these. And it's not just good for that sort of thing, because vocals really do shine. You know, if you're one of those people like me who listen to audiobooks, you know, these are great for that sort of thing. A lot of you guys may not know, you know, I work a normal day job. So I have to, you know, commute 90 minutes each way, you know, to work. So we're talking 2 to 3 hours, give or take, worth of commute time sometimes. So I listen to a ton of audiobooks. And when I try these out with audiobooks, man, I mean, it really made the narrator's voice sound so crisp and clear. It's unbelievable. So, you know, I don't know if you guys listen to audiobooks the way I do. I like to use Audible. This is not a paid video. This is not a sponsored video. I do have an affiliate link, you know, down in the description box below that, you know, does help support the channel if you guys click it. And that affiliate link, basically what it does is a 30-day free trial. There's no obligation. Instead of you getting 1 free audiobook with that trial, with my link, you get 2 free audiobooks in your 30-day free trial with no obligation. So if you guys are thinking about starting up listening to audiobooks and things like that, use that link down below, help out the channel. I appreciate it. But I digress. So like even for that, the sound quality for audiobooks, music, whatever it might be, videos, stuff like that, it's just clean. It's really, really solid sound. And then the comfort, right? So these are very, very small and very short, which I'm amazed by the size, but they fit all the way inside my ear and I barely even notice that they're there. They seal up really well right out of the box. And yeah, I mean, they're super comfortable, they're super light, and I mean, there's no complaints. They even have a built-in mic and, you know, volume control right on the cable. So, I mean, these, I don't know, these are tough to beat, especially for this price. So if I had to give you guys a recommendation, say, hey, you know, if you're in the market for an in-ear monitor for right around 50 bucks, or even some balanced earbuds, do yourselves a favor. Check out the Status Audio IEM-2X. For 50 bucks, what you're getting, the quality of sound, the comfort, I mean, it's really, really tough to beat, and I have no problems recommending these to you guys. So with all that said, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this review right here. Let me know what you guys think of the Status Audio IEM-2X in the comment section down below. Do you guys have some in-ear monitors that you would recommend? I know I've tried some of the KZs before, I've tried the Shures before, so if you guys have some other brands or some different ones that you guys think I should try out, let me know in the comment section. And as always, if you guys like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys didn't like this video, go ahead and hit the dislike button. I know there's always one or two of you out there, and I don't want you guys feeling left out. And if you haven't done so already, consider joining the fam. Hit that subscribe button along with that small notification bell, and this way you never miss any of my weekly videos. So I hope I brought you guys some good value today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you guys in the next video.